Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharil and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about the personality traits of your future spouse or your spouse as well. Now, this video is for both of you, like for those who are single and for those who are already married as well. So, we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. For those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the colors or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Take your time, pause the video if you'd like to. Pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this pile. Now, let's see what is the personality traits of your spouse or your future spouse. So, we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So, pile 1 from the Tarot deck, we have for you the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Then we have the Devil. Okay. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Then we have the Chariot. Okay. We have the Three of Pentacles. And we have the Two of Swords. Okay. So, pile 1, first let's start with the zodiac sign. So, I feel that they could be an earth sign, most likely a Capricorn as well, or they could be an air sign as well, that is the Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, or an earth sign, that is the Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you could be this sign as well. Okay, so yes, pile 1, I feel that they will be someone who is very joyful, yes, very joyful in nature, and they will be someone who will welcome changes. Yes, and I also feel that they likes to keep themselves fit. They likes doing yoga or some form of exercise as well. And I also feel that that they have a balance in everything that they do. And also I feel that they have rise through a lot of things, and they have experienced a lot of things in their life. Also I feel that they will always be surrounded by people. Yes, they will be a people person, pile 1, but I feel that they also gets worried easily. I also feel that some of them could have a greed or some kind of addiction, or some unhealthy habits, like could be related to eating as well. And also I feel that they thinks too much. Yes, they have a kind of worrying nature in themselves. And for very few of you, I feel that other people try to influence them as well. Yes, um, I feel that other people, they are trying to control your partner. Yes, um, and also I feel that yes, they are very hardworking person. Yes, they, whenever they set their eyes upon something, like they work all day and night. They are very hardworking person, pile one. And also I feel that they are a very creative person as well. They have a lot of creativity. I also feel that they will be very responsible person as well. And yes, they loves traveling as well. And you know I also feel that they have traveled a lot as well. Yes, and they will be someone who is always moving forward. And they are all about moving forward in life, and they get successful in what they choose to do as well. um, but yes, they likes being around people, and they are very social as well, but they are very loving towards you as well. As you can see this man, how he's looking at this lady. So I feel that yes, they will be very loving towards you, pile one. But yes, with the two of swords over here, I feel that sometimes they lack the decision power and the decision ability as well. And they are always in their head, like uh, I feel that sometimes they worry a lot about what other people are going to think if they took a certain decision. um, yes, for some of you, I feel that this could be my viewers as well, worrying a lot about this relationship, like how this relationship is going to be like in future. And yes, also I feel that your partner, they will be someone who won't easily express their emotions, and they are not a very expressive person. uh, but yes, I feel that however, they try to look at the bright side of things as well. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So pile 1 from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, we have for you Traveler. Okay, I told you they love traveling, pile 1. Okay, then we have Peacekeeper. Okay, we have the Trader. Okay, we have Elder. Okay, and we have Mountains. Okay, so yes, pile 1, I feel that for some of you, uh, they might keep changing their career as well. Yes, because they like changes, they welcome changes, and basically they likes to experience a lot of things as well. Yes, because here the cards also tells that traveler move in a new direction. So yes, they might keep changing their career path. And also I feel that with this card, that there is certainly a distance. Yes, a geographical distance between the two of you now. And also, yes, I feel that they will be a very calm person as well. Yes, and they likes peace. And with this card, I also feel that sometimes they also need to let go of the need to be right as well, because maybe at times they wanted to be right no matter what. And but yes, they are very responsible person, and Yes, they are peaceful. Yes, they're very calm as well. Yes, and I also feel that they are very responsible person as well. And I also feel that pile one, you know their hair or their hairstyle is quite different, like very noticeable as well. And also there is something to do with smell, with you know their nose, or maybe they get cold easily. But yes, there is something to do with the nose and the smell, some smoke. Maybe they are into smoking or something. But yes, there is something to do with it. And also yes, I feel that they are very innocent at heart. Yes, a very innocent person as well. And also I feel that yes, that they won't follow ancestral patterns as well. Yes, and they would make a different path for themselves from what their family or friends expected them of doing. Yes, and they will create their own path, their own career. Yes, they will create their own path in life. Yes, and also I feel that they will not be someone who is so much into like following traditions and cultures. Yes, they will have faith in traditions and culture, but they won't follow them just because that is coming through generations. So yes, they will be that kind of person. And also you know I feel that they are very strong as well. Yes, and no matter what happens, they are going to stand very strong in life. Yes. So, yes, that was all for you, Palwan. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So, if the messages resonated with you and if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Palwan. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this pile, now let's see what messages do we have for you, and how is what is the personality of your partner or your future partner is going to be like. How is their personality going to be like? So we will look into the messages from the angels and ancestors oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, pile 2, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Emperor. Okay. Then we have the Three of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Three of Cups. Okay. We have the Star card. Okay. We have the King of Pentacles. We have the Death card as well, which is about rebirth. Okay. And we have the Four of Wands. Okay. Very beautiful energy, pile 2. So let's start with the zodiac sign first, pile 2. So we have all the signs here, like we have fire signs, that is the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. And we have the water sign as well, that is the Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. We have air sign as well, that is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. And we have the earth sign as well, that is the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. But yes, they could be particularly an Aries or a Scorpio or an Aquarius as well. But yes, they could be like any sign, or you could have these signs, like you could be Aries, Scorpio, or Aquarius. Okay, so let's get into the reading. So yes, pile 2, I feel that they will be a very career oriented person, and also I feel that they will be very successful in their career. They could be at a very high position where they work, or they could have their own business as well. Yes, and yes, they are very peaceful at heart, although at times they will be very stubborn, or yes, they are basically very stubborn as well. Yes, but yes, your partner, they will be your wish fulfillment. And I also feel that they have a very joyful energy in them. They are financially, yes, very sound as well, and they will give you all the comfort in life. Yes, and I also feel that pile 2, they loves you. Yes, they loves you very much, but I feel that they love their freedom as well. And I feel that at times you could find them becoming a little detached from you. Yes, and also I feel that yes, they loves traveling, pile 2, and they have a lot of high energy, lot of passion. Yes, a very energetic person. And I also feel that there will be a certain age gap between the two of you, pile 2. Also I feel that their friends hold a very special place in their life, like their friends will be very important for them, pile 2. And also I feel that for some of you, like, they love pets. Yes, and some of them could even have a pet as well, but this could be like for very few of you. And also I feel that if you are a female watching this video, then I feel that your male partner, they likes keeping beard. Yes, and if you are a male watching this video, then your female partner, they will be physically very attractive. Yes, they'll be very attractive. And but yes, I feel that their hands are quite long, or well, their hands are very noticeable, pile 2. And also I feel that they will be always enjoying one thing or the other, and they loves parties. They have so much of energy and passion, so yes, that is very obvious as well. And yes, they're always up for something. So yes, a very career focused and a very very energetic person, a very joyful person as well. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So pile 2, from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, we have for you Drum, Dream and Journey. Okay, then we have Great Teacher, Learn from Spiritual Experiences. Okay, then we have Shape Shifter, Transform and Unveil Your Gifts. Okay, then we have High Priest, Intend and Create. Okay, and we have Earth Mother, Feel Loved and Comforted. Okay, so yes, pile 2, I feel that, your partner, they are someone who, have some talents, some gifts, very creative, or I feel that, they have some spiritual gifts as well. Yes, with all of these cards, I feel that they are very drawn towards spirituality as well. Yes, and they are a very peaceful person as well. Yes, very peaceful at heart. Yes. Um, Also, I feel that, pile 2, uh, yes, they loves music, and they like nature a lot. They loves going into the woods, that kind of adventure. Yes. uh, for some of you, I feel that, they are all about the journey inward. Yes, as I told you earlier, they are very drawn towards spirituality. And I also feel that, they focus a lot in their dreams as well. Yes. And also for some of you, I feel that, they could be from Middle Eastern countries as well. Yes. And I also feel that, they are also attracted to uh, universe, cosmos, like these kind of things as well. I feel that, pile 2, that their choices will be quite different. But yes, they will be a very, visionary person. Also for some of you, I feel that they will be, yes, a very creative person as well. And they are always about, transforming in a very positive way. Yes, they are always transforming and becoming a more and more better person. Yes, and I also feel that, they have a very nurturing quality in them. And also I feel that, they're very focused person. Like once they set their eyes upon something, they are really focused, and as they have a lot of passion and energy, so they put all of their energy into that work. Yes, they are very career oriented as well. And also I feel that, they are very loyal. And yes, they likes discovering new places, new things. uh, but one thing, pile 2, I also feel that, in later years of their life, they will be very drawn towards spirituality. If not now, then yes, in later years of their life, they are going to be very drawn towards spirituality. Because I feel that, they have got some talents, or they are going to have some talents, some kind of spiritual gifts, that they will be, sharing it with other people. Yes. And also I feel that, they have a lot of female energy around them. Like it doesn't matter, if you are looking for your male partner or your female partner, but yes, they have a lot of female energy around them. And they will be very close to their mother. Yes. um yes. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3, for those of you who choose this pile. Now let's see what messages do we have for you, and how is your partner or your future partner going to be like. Yes, what is their personality type, how is their nature. So we will look into the messages from the angels and ancestors oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 3 from the tarot deck, we have for you the Nine of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Lover's card. Wow. Then we have the Five of Swords. Okay. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Ten of Swords. Okay. We have the Nine of Swords. And we have the Page of Swords. Okay. So yes, pile 3, first talking about the zodiac, we have fire sign, that is the Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. We have earth sign, that is Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. And we have air sign as well. Yes, that is the Gemini, Libra or Aquarius. We have mostly air signs, and we have earth and fire sign as well. Now this could be your sign or this could be your partner's sign as well. Now let's get into the reading. So yes, pile 3, I feel that your partner, they will be someone who will have too many responsibilities upon them. But yes, they will be very loving towards you. And I feel that this relationship is a very blessed relationship. Yes, a very blessed relationship by the angels, by universe, by God. Yes. And I also feel that you both will help each other grow. Yes, in your career, emotionally as well as spiritually as well. Yes, this relationship is all about the spiritual union and spiritual growth as well. Yes, uh, but yes, I feel that pile 3, they might have a tendency to worry. They stays a lot in their head. Yes, they basically overthinks a lot. And I also feel that a lot of people, a lot of other people, they criticize about your partner and this relationship of yours. But they are very loving towards you. And yes, I feel that they are a very loyal and a very trustworthy person as well, your partner. Yes. And I also feel that uh, this relationship of yours, it is from a past life. Like, I feel that you both were together in past life as well, pile 3. Yes, you have been together in many lifetimes, I feel that. Yes. And also I feel that you both are very connected to each other. Like, you can feel that emotional connection between the two of you, that is very deep, pile 3. uh, it feels like to me that you both cannot stay apart from each other for a long time. Yes, that's how deep is your connection with each other. And yes, I also feel that pile 3, your partner, they have faced a lot of difficult times, a lot of hard times in their life, yet they are financially very responsible. Yes, they are very responsible financially. And I also feel that your partner, they are very highly educated person as well. Yes. But yes, they have some worrying, like negative thinking, overthinking, some kind of anxiety, or this could even be my viewers as well. For some of you, yes, this could be my viewers, worrying a lot about this relationship. Yes. um, Pile 3, um, I'm getting the guidance that you or they, or both of you, you people need to focus on the good side of things rather than focusing on, the negative side of things. Have gratitude, try to look as much as you can on the positive side of things. Yes, that is the guidance that I'm getting for you, pile 3. um, Also, I feel that for those of you who are single, uh, yes, they are coming in your life very soon. Yes, your partner is coming into your life very soon, and they are, going to offer you that stability. Yes, their love. Yes. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So pile 3 from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, we have for you Protection Guardian, drop your shields. Okay. Then we have Hermit, retreat and recharge. Okay. Then we have Druid. Okay. We have Stargazer. Okay. And we have the Sun card. Wow. Enjoy success and happiness. Okay. Very beautiful energy. Okay. Yes. Um. So yes. Pile 3. I feel that your partner, they have a lot of people to look after. Yes, as I told you earlier, they have a lot of responsibilities upon themselves. Yes, I feel that they are like a provider for the family. Also, for some of you, uh, I feel that your partner, they could still be working upon their financial stability. Yes, they could still be working on money, finances as well. Yes. um, but yes, uh, I feel that they are going to find success. Yes, financially and in whatever work that they do. Yes, they are going to find success for sure. Also, I feel that yes, they likes to keep themselves fit. Yes, for some of you, they could even like doing meditation as well. But yes, they they pay a lot of attention towards their health. Yes. And basically about what they eat, and yes, about their health, they are very much focused. And also I feel that they are always learning, or studying. Like, I feel that there are a lot of books or some studying materials around them always. Yes, they are always learning something, and they're very strong person as well. But I feel that they worries a lot, they overthink a lot, and I feel that they need to let go of that thing. I feel that they need to learn to enjoy as well. Yes. And I also feel that yes, books, some kind of reading, could be some self-help books, or some spiritual books, or anything, any kind of reading that is going to be very helpful for them as well. Yes. um, you know I also feel that pile 3, their personality, like this worrying habit of theirs, yes, that is going to change a lot, or I would say that that is going to improve a lot after the wedding. Yes, uh, when the two of you come together, yes, you both will help each other grow and heal as well. Yes, um, yes, you are going to help each other grow. And I also feel that you will be someone who is going to help them look into the bright side of things. Yes, and I also feel that they are uh, right now they are moving towards success. Yes, and also if they are um yes, if they are working upon their finances, then once the both of you come together, then yes, they will keep on moving towards success. Yes, uh, also I feel that for some of you, they will be very spiritual person as well. Yes, and they have a lot of wisdom, they are very educated as well. Yes, for few of you, like this could be for very few of you, I feel that they could have been in a relationship in the past, and that is why they worry a lot about this relationship with you. Yes, but this could be for very few of you. Pile 3. um yes, but yes, I also feel that they will be someone, like your partner will be someone who always looks much younger than their age. Yes, they have a very youthful energy in them. Yes, they look very younger than their age, and also I feel that they are very uh, childlike from within. Yes, a very childlike person from within. And I also feel that they are someone uh, who gets excited and who gets happy, could be over small things as well. Yes, um, and yes, with this sun card, in the last of this reading, I feel that yes, a very beautiful energy. And yes, your partner is a very yes, they're very good person and they loves you. I also feel this is a past life connection as well. They care for you, for their family as well. But yes, they need to let go of this overthinking. That is the only thing that I see in this reading. But yes, as I told you earlier, with this sun card coming out in the last of this reading, I feel a very beautiful energy as well. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.